long time no see.
It's been a while.
Yeah. Since that last video, what has changed on the bike?
I went on a major diet. We took about 100 pounds off the bike itself. Added a whole bunch of carbon fiber. Got rid of a lot of the street stuff. The bike used to be strictly street and track, and now it's full track. Same turbo setup as I had. I think our last video was 4 or 5 years ago.
Yeah, 4 or 5.
Same turbo. A little different chassis setup, new swing arm, stuff like that. Still running the Haltech engine management, as always. Just out here at Racehorse, can have some fun.
Do you got any like a time objective?
Today I'd like to get into the 7s again. 2 years ago, Racehorse, we went 798. The weight lost on the bike gets picked up quite a bit on a really tricky track, a really sticky track, sorry. And today, if we get a good starting line, I think we'll be able to at least match at 7 and maybe go 780, 770. If the starting line's there. So we'll see.
Yeah, pretty fast. So then, same engine.
Same engine. Engine's been overhauled, but same motor. Still
okay.
Stock bore, stock stroke, stock cams. It's got good set of pistons and rods in it. No port work on the head. Just basic valve springs and valves. Other than that, these motors are pretty bulletproof.
And so, as far as horsepower goes,
last time it was on the dyno, we made 565 at 27 pounds of boost.
Dang.
It was slipping the tire on the dyno. You can see the graph. It drops off hard at peak power, and then it pulls another 1,000 RPM past that. So that was at 27 pounds. I've ran 33, so I'm guessing it's north of 6. Just can't prove it on dyno, but it went trapped 196 miles an hour a month ago in Woodburn. So the horsepower versus mile an hour it matches.
Is there? Yeah,
that's what it makes.
All right, man. Well, good luck.
Thank you.
30. 8. At 170. Dude, hell yeah.
Hey bro, what the hell is this T-body shuffle in the air?
Fucking like, come on! Oh my
Yeah.
god.
Did not lift, motherfucker.
Nope.
Didn't let off, huh?
Not at all. I shifted in the air and grabbed second, it just stayed.
Dude, you're like this fucking
body, dude.
Oh yeah, I got speed wobble when it came down.
Oh, dude.
Holy
yeah.
fuck.
hell yeah.
125.60. 125.
Fucking damn hard, dude.
God damn. Yeah, man, congrats,
Wow.
man. Hell yeah.
Yeah, man.
That was a badass pass, dude.
Damn.
Look at, hey, hand checks. Hand check.
Yeah, it's a little bit.
Yeah.
It was the wheelie.
I still have a mile an hour
Yeah,
for the day.
there's no mile an hour. It's a turd out the back.
Yeah. Fuck yeah.
Fucking 1-2.
Yeah.
That's almost my best. 123 is my best.
Hell yeah. Damn.
Fuck yeah.
That's